If your heater has white or black smoke, it can mean two things. If it's black, there's not enough air, or too much fuel. If it's white, there's too much air and not enough fuel. You can check that in a couple different ways. First, remove your service panel. Then, check your sleeve. Your air intake is the biggest culprit, and because this is a wing nut, it can come loose over time and adjust. For the 100, this should be at 0.118 inches. For the 300, the sleeve is calibrated and it should be at position number 4. Next step is you want to check your combustion chamber. Check your nozzle. If it's all black around here, which it probably will be if you have black smoke, make sure to clean everything really well. Make sure that your photo eye is all clear and that this isn't melted. Reinstall. Swap your nozzle if necessary. If it's an old nozzle, maybe it hasn't been replaced in months or years, you're gonna wanna replace it. That's a standard performance maintenance measure to keep your unit running well. Just loosen the screws on the back that hold your igniters. That will loosen the 2 igniters right here. Use a socket to remove your nozzle and reinstall the new one. Once everything is put back together, make sure that your notch is where the ground should be. Reinstall your ground. And the last step is that you're going to want to check your fuel pressure. On the 100, the fuel pressure should be 196 PSI. And on the 300, your fuel pressure should be 174 PSI. Make sure that your recessed fitting is the one that you adjust, and the other fitting is the one that you remove to install your gauge. It's a 4mm Allen. In order to test your pressure, the service panel has to be removed. But because of the pressure switch down at the bottom, it serves as a safety device so that when the fan is running, you can't stick your hands in here. You're only gonna have a few seconds to measure your pressure, which is fine. You just wanna see where it comes out to. And then, if it needs to go up or down, righty-tighty is higher pressure. Going left is going to lower the pressure. So if you measure at 196, don't touch anything. Higher or lower, adjust this with your 4mm Allen wrench. All you're going to do is turn the unit on, put it in the 1 manual run mode. Everything will kick on, your pressure will jump, watch where it goes to, and adjust accordingly.